Hello friends, in this video we are going to study the topic Unification of Italy. Unification is the act or process of bringing together or combining things or people. During the middle of the 19th century, Italy was divided into 7 states, out of which only one state, Sardinia Piedmont, was ruled by the Italy princely house. Contribution of famous personalities. Famous personalities involved in unification of Italy were Giuseppe Mazzini. He had sought to put together a coherent program. Coherent means having its part related in an organized and reasonable way for a unitary Italian republic. He formed 2 underground societies. First was Young Italy in Marseilles and the second was Young Europe in Berne. Metternich described Giuseppe Mazzini as the most dangerous enemy of our social order. The second was Count Camillo di Cavour. The unification of Italy owed much to the diplomacy of the Chief Minister Cavour. Diplomacy is the management of relationships between countries, or it is the skill in dealing with people without offending or upsetting them. He became the Prime Minister of Piedmont from 1852 to 1860 through a tactful diplomatic alliance with France engineered by Cavour. Sardinia Piedmont succeeded in defeating the Austrian forces in 1859. The third was Giuseppe Garibaldi. He was a central figure in the unification of Italy. He met Mazzini and joined the Young Italy movement. He participated in a Republican uprising in Piedmont in 1834. In 1854, Giuseppe Garibaldi supported Victor Emmanuel II for his efforts to unify the Italian states. In 1860, Giuseppe Garibaldi led the famous expedition of the 1000th to South Italy with his Red Shirt Army. In 1867, Giuseppe Garibaldi led the army to Rome to fight for Papal States, where French garrison was stationed. Station means a particular position that someone has been ordered to stay in. The Papal States covered most of the modern Italian regions of Lazio, which includes Rome, Marche, Umbria, and Romagna, and portions of Emilia. In 1870, France withdrew its troops and Papal States were finally joined to Italy. Major events led to the unification. Proclamation of United Italy in 1860, the army, which includes regular troops and armed volunteers, marched into South Italy and the Kingdom of the Two Sicilies. Proclamation means to announce something publicly or officially. They succeeded in getting the support of the local peasants in order to drive out the Spanish rulers. In 1861, Victor Emmanuel II was proclaimed King of United Italy. The states of Tuscany, Modena, Parma, and the Papal joined hands with Sardinia. By March 1860, the entire central Italian states were unanimously united with Piedmont. Unanimously means something that is supported by everyone in a group. Rome became a part of Sardinia, and in this way, the final unification of Italy was also achieved in 1871.